Ice cream. Just the thought of it can make your mouth water and your heart skip a beat. It's more than just a dessert. It's a universal symbol of happiness, a sweet escape from the ordinary. Just saying it brings a smile. It's the treat that instantly brightens any day, no matter your age. From the first lick as a child to the last bite as an adult, ice cream is woven into our happiest memories. It's the hero of summer, the reward after a long week, the centerpiece of celebrations. Whether it's a birthday, a graduation, or just a sunny afternoon, ice cream is always there to make the moment sweeter. But have you ever wondered about the journey your scoop takes to reach your bowl? There's a fascinating story behind every creamy bite, one that starts long before it hits your freezer. This isn't just a frozen dessert, it's a masterpiece perfected over years. Each flavor, each swirl is the result of creativity, patience, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. The transformation from simple ingredients to creamy delight happens in a bustling chili factory. Here, science meets artistry, and every detail matters. Think of your favorite flavor, vanilla, chocolate, or something wild like mint chip. They all start as a humble liquid base. It's a blend of fresh milk, rich cream, and just the right touch of sweetness. Through science and creativity, that base becomes magic. Machines churn and freeze, locking in smoothness and flavor, while experts tweak recipes to achieve the perfect scoop. Behind every pint is a team passionate about perfection. From the factory floor to the flavor lab, these are the people who turn simple ingredients into pure joy. We'll pull back the curtain on the ice cream factory, from farm-fresh ingredients to the final scoop. Every step is a blend of tradition, innovation, and a little bit of magic. Get ready for a behind-the-scenes tour that will change how you see your favorite treat. You'll discover the secrets, the science, and the passion that go into every batch. Grab a virtual spoon. We're about to embark on a chili adventure. From the first ingredient to the final scoop, you'll see ice cream in a whole new light. Let's uncover the secrets behind the creamiest, dreamiest dessert on the planet. Because ice cream isn't just a treat, it's an experience, a tradition, and a little bit of happiness in every bite. Every great dish starts with great ingredients, and when it comes to ice cream, this principle is even more important. The journey to a perfect scoop begins long before the first taste, with a careful selection of the finest raw materials. Ice cream is no exception to this rule. In fact, the quality of each ingredient directly shapes the flavor, texture, and overall experience of the final product. The star of the show is always fresh, high-quality milk sourced from trusted local dairy farms. This milk isn't just a base. It provides essential water, rich fat, and milk solids that form the backbone of every batch. The freshness and purity of the milk set the stage for everything that follows. Cream is then added, bringing that luxurious velvety mouthfeel we all crave in a premium ice cream. The right balance of cream ensures a decadent texture that melts smoothly on your tongue. Sugar does more than just sweeten the mix. It plays a crucial scientific role by lowering the freezing point, which keeps the ice cream scoopable and prevents it from turning into a solid block of ice. Different types of sugars, such as sucrose or corn syrup, are carefully chosen to control not only the sweetness, but also the texture and consistency. Each type of sugar brings its own unique properties, helping to create a perfectly balanced dessert. Stabilizers like carrageenan or guar gum are added in precise amounts. These ingredients prevent the formation of large ice crystals, ensuring the ice cream stays creamy and smooth, even after being stored in the freezer. Emulsifiers such as egg yolks play a vital role as well. They help fat and water blend seamlessly, creating a uniform mixture that's free from separation. This is what gives ice cream its signature smoothness and rich body. Every ingredient is chosen for a specific purpose, and together they work in harmony to create the perfect scoop. From the largest jug of milk to the tiniest pinch of stabilizer, nothing is left to chance. Even the smallest addition, like a stabilizer, can make a world of difference in the final quality. Precision and attention to detail are key at every step. The result of this careful process is a rich, creamy base that's ready for transformation into a variety of flavors and styles. This is where the magic truly begins. It's a delicate balance of science and taste, where every decision impacts the final product. Food scientists and technicians work together, testing and refining to ensure consistency and excellence. Only the best ingredients, rigorously inspected and carefully selected, make it into your favorite pint. This commitment to quality is what sets great ice cream apart from the rest. That's the foundation of every delicious bite, The perfect blend of nature, science, and craftsmanship, all coming together to create the ice cream you love. With top-notch ingredients in hand, it's time to blend. Massive stainless steel vats mix milk, cream, sugars, and stabilizers into a uniform liquid, the ice cream mix. Powerful mixers ensure every grain of sugar dissolves and every component is evenly distributed. Temperature is kept cold to control bacteria and prep for pasteurization. Technicians and computers monitor every step for precision and safety. This stage is all about creating a perfect, homogeneous base. Every scoop from this batch will have the same balance of sweetness and creaminess. The unflavored mix is now ready for its next transformation. It's a sweet, creamy liquid, full of potential. The journey from simple ingredients to frozen delight is well underway. Next up, making it safe to eat. Now, safety comes first. Pasteurization is key. The mix is heated to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 seconds, killing harmful bacteria. This quick heat not only ensures safety, but also helps dissolve sugar and bind proteins for a smoother texture. High-temperature short-time (HTST) pasteurization is the industry standard, heating and cooling the mix rapidly. Immediate cooling to 40 degrees Fahrenheit prevents unwanted flavors and bacterial growth. Computers monitor every second for strict quality control. Pasteurization is a perfect blend of science and safety. With bacteria eliminated, the mix is ready for the next step. Now, it's time to perfect the texture. To achieve that signature creamy texture, the mix is homogenized. It's forced through a tiny valve at high pressure, breaking fat globules into tiny uniform particles. This prevents separation and ensures a smooth, stable mix. Homogenization is purely physical, no chemicals, just force. The result, a rich, creamy liquid that resists melting and stays smooth. After homogenization, the mix rests in aging tanks for several hours. This aging allows fats to crystallize and proteins to hydrate, improving texture. The mix is now safe, smooth, and ready for flavor. Next, we add the magic, flavor, and creativity. The real fun begins. Now, the blank canvas gets its color, flavoring time. Vanilla, chocolate, coffee, or fruit purees are blended in, measured for consistency. Mix-ins like chocolate chips or cookie dough are added later after freezing begins to keep them intact. Swirls of caramel or fudge are also added at this later stage for those signature ribbons. Food scientists experiment with new combinations, balancing art and science. Every flavor is tested to ensure it shines, even when frozen. The now flavored mix is ready for its coldest transformation. Next stop, freezing and churning.
Shall we begin?
This is the moment where the magic truly begins, where a simple, sweet liquid transforms into the creamy delight we all know and love as ice cream. The journey from liquid to frozen treat is a fascinating blend of science, precision, and a touch of artistry. The flavored mix is carefully pumped into a continuous freezer, which is essentially a super cold steel barrel lined with powerful rotating blades. This machine is the heart of the operation, and it's where the temperature drops rapidly, setting the stage for the perfect texture. As soon as the mix touches the icy cold steel wall, a thin layer freezes almost instantly. The rotating blades, called dashers, continuously scrape this frozen layer off the wall, ensuring that the mixture stays in motion and freezes evenly. This constant scraping and mixing is crucial. It prevents large ice crystals from forming, keeping the texture smooth and creamy. Factory workers monitor the process closely, checking for that signature velvety consistency. At the same time, the blades whip air into the mix, a process known as overrun. This step is what gives ice cream its light, scoopable feel, making it easy to enjoy straight from the tub. Not all ice creams are created equal though. Premium varieties have less air whipped in, resulting in a denser, richer product with a more intense flavor and a luxurious mouthfeel. Regular ice creams, on the other hand, are lighter and fluffier due to higher overrun. After churning, the mix emerges from the machine as a thick, soft-serve consistency. At this stage, it's still too soft to be scooped, but it's the perfect base for adding delicious extras. Now comes the fun part, adding inclusions. Chunks of cookie dough, crunchy nuts, or ribbons of caramel and fudge are gently folded in or swirled through the soft ice cream, creating those irresistible pockets of flavor and texture in every bite. At this point, the ice cream is fully assembled, bursting with mix-ins and swirls. but it's still too soft to hold its shape. It needs one more crucial step before it's ready for your spoon. The nearly finished ice cream is sent into a deep blast freezer, where it's rapidly frozen to lock in its creamy texture and prevent ice crystals from forming. This quick freeze is essential for maintaining quality. Quality control experts inspect every batch, ensuring the texture, flavor, and appearance meet the highest standards. The transformation from liquid to luscious ice cream is almost complete. Every detail, from the size of the ice crystals to the scoopability, is carefully controlled. Only when everything is just right does the ice cream move to the final stage. Finally, the ice cream is packaged and sent for a final deep freeze, ensuring it's perfectly solid and ready to be enjoyed by ice cream lovers everywhere. The soft ice cream flows into automated filling machines, dispensing precise amounts into containers. Lids are sealed tight to keep out air and protect freshness. Some containers have an extra foil or paper seal for added security. Filled packages head straight to a blast freezer, minus 40 degrees or colder. Rapid freezing locks in the smooth texture and prevents ice crystals from growing. After several hours, the ice cream is frozen solid and ready for storage. Pallets of ice cream move to massive freezers, waiting for shipment. Refrigerated trucks keep everything cold on the way to stores and scoop shops. Soon, it's ready for you to enjoy. Quality control is woven into every step of ice cream's journey. Milk is tested for freshness, mixes for balance, and pasteurization for safety. Even after packaging, samples are taste tested for flavor and texture. Only the best batches make it to stores. The goal isn't just making ice cream, it's making people happy. Factories innovate constantly, creating new flavors and options for everyone. Dairy-free, low sugar, or wild new combinations, there's always something exciting. Every scoop is a result of passion, science, and creativity. Next time you enjoy a pint, remember the journey it took. It's more than dessert. It's a scoop of joy, science, and love. Enjoy every bite.